Hello everyone. The financial report by Analytic Accounts Odoo app let you to filter any key financial report like profit and loss and balance sheet by Analytic Accounts. It helps you to track and finances by in project, department or a cost center. Let's dive in and see how it works. Let's get into the accounting first where you can see the reporting. So in the reports where you can see and balance sheet report, so where we can filter it out based on the all posted entries or entries. Here in this, after installing our module, you can see an option to add an analytic accounts. Now let's add an analytic accounts. So I have selected all, and from here let's choose a date. Now let's print. It will print the balance sheet report. Let's get into that. So this is the balance sheet report where you can see the name. Here in this you can see the analytic accounts and also the balances. Now like the same way, if you get into the reporting where we can see in general ledger where we have an option to select an analytic accounts too. Let's select an analytic account over here in this general ledger. Now in this let's choose a start date as well as where you can see an end date too. Now let's print. So over here you can see in general ledger based on an analytic accounts. Now like the same way, let's get into the next report which is a profit and loss report. Now over here you can see an option to add an analytic account. Let's choose an analytic account over here. We need to select a start date, end date, and then we can print it from here. So let's check the print. Yeah, so it's downloaded where you can see an analytic account for and profit and loss where you can see the name analytic account as well as the balance. Now let's get into the next report we have. Let's close this and getting into the reports where you can see a trial balance report. So over here too we can add an analytic accounts if needed. We can select it over here and then we can select, we need to add a start date and date everything, and then let's click on the print over here so it will print a trial balance report. So let's get into that where you can see the code, analytic account, accounts, debit, credit, balance, everything can be seen in this trial balance. Based on the analytic account we can see the report. This is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.